So we used to make this sauce. I call it white cocktail sauce. And we used to make this sauce for Reuben's. Now, I make a killer Thousand Island dressing, but this sauce really works with Reuben's. So I'm going to show it to you today. I got a cup of my mayo here made with avocado oil. This makes about a quart. It'll last for 45 to 60 days in your refrigerator, tightly sealed. 1.5 cups sour cream. 1 cup of prepared horseradish. Try not to get the stuff off the top where there's a lot of liquid. Get in there and get some of that meat. I got a couple teaspoons of fresh chopped garlic, 2 ounces of Dijon mustard, half a teaspoon of salt, touch of the hot sauce. You could put smoked paprika in here and some chopped dill and parsley. 1 ounce fresh squeezed lemon juice. And this is the white cocktail sauce. It's perfect for a Reuben because it's thin enough, but it's thick enough at the same time. And it's great for shrimp. So if somebody who doesn't do tomato, this is perfect for them. So I'm going to take some of the spinach from the farm. God, does that look beautiful or what? They just picked this stuff this morning. They wash it, they clean it, they dry it. Now, I've got some nice Mexican shrimp here. I'm going to sprinkle a little smoked paprika on them. And we're just going to give that a little toss. Okay. I poached these in a quart bouillon with lemon, some peppercorns, cloves, bay leaf, a little coriander seed. And I started it in cold water. And as soon as it started to show that it was going to simmer, I took them off and I just shocked them on this pan here. Now we'll take our white cocktail sauce. I love color on my plate. I really do. I like to show off the fact that I'm using quality spices that are fresh ground. You know, we want color on this plate. I like to put a little lemon on because most people won't put it on. You have to do it for them, and that's okay. I like to use the smaller shrimp. They seem to be sweeter. You know, the 21s and 25s, they're really sweet. The larger the shrimp, it's just a little bit tougher, but unless you're on the coast getting them fresh, I like the smaller shrimp personally. They're 21, 25 to a pound. That's how they size shrimp. So those big jumbo shrimp I used at Medusa, those were U10s. There were 10 shrimp to a pound, so they're almost 2 ounces a piece. 1.5 ounces. So that's what that means. That means there's 21 of these shrimp to 25 per pound. The lower the number, the bigger the shrimp.